The Alberto Knot is an excellent line-to-line fishing knot designed for joining fishing lines of different diameters and materials. For example, it's perfect for connecting a monofilament or fluorocarbon leader to braided line. Make a loop at one end of your mono leader. Thread about 25 centimeters of PE braid through the loop. Hold the loop and braid with your right hand, and start wrapping the braid around the double mono line. Make 7 to 10 wraps away from the loop first. Then wrap back the same number of turns, laying each wrap over the previous ones. Pass the tag and back through the loop, exiting the same way it went in. Pull the wraps tight and slide them down to the end of the loop, neaten the knot up. Finally, trim the tag ends of both the PE braid and mono leader.